Hello. Let me show you how I set up that airplane on a PathMate. I started the assembly and there's my airplane, and created top-down a part with a helix spiral command. See that blue line here? After that, I started a 3D sketch in the assembly and converted this entity to that 3D sketch. Let's just make that one, hide that one, and show the 3D sketch. Okay. Then I defined the PathMate with the point I had defined inside my airplane. With the selection manager, I picked the helix. All right. I wanted the wings to stay in that position, so I picked in the roll control the up vector with the top plane of the assembly, so it stays on this path. All right. After that, I activated the SolidWorks motion tab, and then within this motion study, you have the option to pick the motion analysis, and then you can define the PathMate motor. You have several options for the motion. I took the constant speed at 2,000 millimeters per second. And let's see how it looks like. Follows nicely. I animated the camera as well. And sure, I animated my propeller with a motor option, rotary motor. You can download the assembly on GrabCAD. I'll provide a link to the model in the comments. And I thank you so much for watching.